Hello friends, how are you? In this today video guide, I will show you how to install WordPress on server 2022, right? So I have a server. You can see that this is I have installed this on my VMware 6.5, okay, and this is my server, and it's 2020 standard edition, right? So in this server, I will show you how to install WordPress step by step. Okay, I have created a guide for you guys, and you can get this guide in the description of this video, right? So I just copy and paste, and the things will happen, right? So this is my guide I have created for you. Okay, for this. For this I will start the installation. I will start the packages of IIS server, right? So let's get started. uh, First of all, you need to open a PowerShell and hit enter. Okay, I am going to install the IIS package. You can install via server manager, or you can install directly via command line. So I have installed it via command line. Okay, apart from that, you can also need to install the Windows DHCP DNS services, right? So I would like to also uh, create this server as a DNS services, right? So for this I will install it via server manager. So you need to add role. Next. In the background, the IIS server packages is installing, and in the parallel, I am going to install the DNS services role for this server. Yeah, it will take some time, no issue. Okay, so actually the background process is background process in process, right? And that's why I think I am unable to access the server role, right? So let's wait. First, this package will install, and then, okay, the package has been installed. Okay, so now I'm going to IIS package is has been installed successfully. So you can see that IIS package is installed. You can also check to browser localhost. So you can see that the IIS services has been installed. So next, I will install the DNS role for this. Actually, I wanted to install the DNS rule, and I wanted to create a DNS server, right? So it will take just a little bit time. When it will install DNS services role, you need to change the DNS setting to itself 127.0.0. So I'm doing this because this is also the DNS server. The IP address of the server is, you can also type IP of the same server, or you can also type 127.0.0.1. Both are the same things. First, you need to install the IIS package, and then after you need to install the DNS services role, and after that we will move forward, right? Okay, the installation is in progress. We have done this part. Okay, next you need to download the php.net, right? So when you right click on the link, copy the link and paste into the browser. DNS server role has been installed. Okay, you just need to paste the link. Okay, the link has been opened. Here you need to go to the Windows download section, and here you need to download the zip file. Okay, and the zip file has been installing. It will take also some little bit time depending upon your internet speed. Okay, so what is the next step we have? After the downloading, you need to create a folder with name PHP, right? So you need to copy the name, go to the C drive of the server and create a folder named PHP, right? You need to put this file into this directory. So it will take some time. What is the next? Okay, you need to set the variable in the advanced settings of the system. Okay, you need to set this path into the system directory. Okay, uh, okay, cut this file and paste into the directory. Okay, extract it. PHP and that's all. Extract the file into the main folder. Okay, the file is extracted. Go to the PHP folder, delete this file. Okay, okay, okay. Now we are good to go. Next, you need to set the variable, set the path. Here you need to go to the advanced setting, environment variable, and here you need to go to the path, edit it, and create a new and paste the path, which is c/php folder, right? Create new and paste it carefully. Apply, okay, and exit. Okay. So next, what is the next part? Okay, you need to go to the PHP folder and locate and change the php.ini file. Okay, and then after that you need to find some variable like extension dot MySQL. Right, go to the server. Okay, remove extra tab. Okay, PHP folder. Here you need to locate the PHP. There are two files, php.developer and php.production. You can change it php-production file. Okay, and enter it. You need to edit it and find the extension here. You need to uncomment, and next what I need to check. Next, you need to check the extension BDO underscore MySQL. Right. Next, you need to find here is uncomment these two entries and save it, and that's all. So after this, enable the save the php.ini file. Okay. Next, you need to restart the IIS services. So go to the command line and paste the command. So IIS services is restarted. So what is the next step? Okay, the next step is you need to require the distributable files. Here you need to right click on it, copy the link, and go to the folder and paste it. Here is the this is the file which is required for IIS server, right? So downloading has been started. It will take some time. Okay, what is the next step we have? Okay, the next step, actually the downloading has been in process, so I'm trying to reach the next step. Next step is you need to open the IIS server. Okay, so let's wait some time for downloading this package. After the installation of this package, we will open the IIS services. Open this, install it. The installation has been successfully. Now you need to go to the server manager, and here you need to open the IIS services. Okay, here you need to go to the fast GCP setting. Okay, fast GCP setting, and you need to add the path here. Okay, add application path, and you need to do change settings. Instance maximum request is 1000. Apply, save. This part is the next. You need to go to the PHP handler mapping. PHP handler. This is the PHP handler mapping. You need to go to the add module mapping. In the add module mapping, you need to copy, paste, and fast module, paste, copy, paste. You just need to copy paste, and it is the settings of the PHP according to IIS. Apply. Okay. So this part is also done. Next, you need to create a verify PHP installation. Okay. So let's verify the PHP. Is it installed properly or not? You need to create a info.php file into the directory of the IIS services. IIS. Here is the directory www root. Here you need to create first you need to enable the extensions, hide extension, uncomment this, and now you need to create a info.php, right? Apply. Okay, open with, paste it. This is not pasted properly, you need to copy it again. Next, now it is pasted. Okay, so localhost slash info.php. You can see that the PHP has been installed successfully. Uh, let's change the localhost to domain name, right? Here you need to change the. I just want to open it via domain name rather localhost. So you just need to add a new zone. Next, primary zone, the shell guru.local, next, and allow. Okay, here you need to a record my server IP address is 1.18, apply and okay. Now ping the name, the shell guru.local, right? Okay, the spelling mistake. The shell guru, the shell double guru dot local. You can see that the reply is coming. Okay, next I will the shell guru dot local slash info dot php. You can see that now the page is open without the local host, right? Because I have an entry, I have configured the entry in the DNS section. So what is the next? Our PHP service is running successfully. Next, you need to download the MySQL. IIS server required MySQL for the installation of WordPress, right? So first we will download the MySQL setup on this server. You need to download the MSI installer. No thanks. The installation has been started. So what is the next process? You need to install and set up the MySQL services, and after that you need to create a database. Okay. So open the file. The setup has been running. Next. Follow the typical next. MySQL server has been started. In the installation, he will ask you the SQL ports and root password of the MySQL server. Next. Here you need to enter the password. Next, and execute. Okay, what is the next step? Here you need to enter the database, and here you need to type the password. Next. Okay, now the installation is successfully completed. Now you need to enter the password. Now we are good to go. We are in. Next, you need to create a okay. The password is password. I am doing the demo labs. That's why I let it go, right? So you need to carefully about on your production services. So this database has been created, which will be linked with the WordPress in the letter. Okay, next. Okay, you need to install one more package. If it's not installed, you need to. Okay, after that you need to restart the IIS services. This package is also required. Okay, IIS service has been started successfully. Next, you need to download the WordPress setup. WordPress download. You need to download the WordPress setup. Okay, the setup has been started. What we need to do now, Okay, after the downloading, you need to extract into the IIS directory. Okay, the setup has been downloaded, and it will take some time depending upon your internet speed. We need to remove this file. No, don't need this file anymore. Okay, next is okay. The setup has been downloaded successfully. Next, you need to extract this into the IIS directory. You need to go to the www root services, and here you need to extract this folder. Now it's extracting, it will take some time. What we need to do next, you need to rename the name of the sample to wp-config.php. Okay. After that, you need to add the name of your database into the php-myadmin config, wp-admin config. Right. Next, you need to give the permission. Okay. Next. Now it's still extracting. You should need to wait for a while. Okay, The extraction is completed. WordPress. Okay, here you need to copy and rename the file. Now you need to edit this file and paste the database that we have created earlier. Database name WordPress, and WP user is WP user and the password is password. Next you need to save the file, save it. And what is the next? You need to give the permission of the WordPress folder. Go to the security IIS server added, and here you need to give the full rights. Apply. Okay, next. So what is the next? Here you need to go to the IIS server manager, double click on the default document, right? Okay, go to the server role and IIS manager. Here you need to go to the default document, and here you need to add the index.php index.php and okay. Next you need to install browser. You need to install the WordPress. You don't need to enter the localhost, the shell guru.local. Okay, we are good to go. Here you need to type the site name, the shell guru. Okay, next. Okay, install WordPress. Click on the install WordPress button. Not now, login into the now type the password and you are good to go. You can see that what is the next step. We are okay, the all steps has been done successfully, and you can see that I have installed the WordPress successfully. Okay, let's open the as the shell guru dot local slash WordPress. Yeah, you can see that the site is working now. You can change the theme. Where is the theme? Appearance theme. Appearance theme, and I will choose this theme. Okay, dashboard, and you need to refresh the page, and you can see that you are in the new theme. So that's all. With the help of this card, you can install easily WordPress on Windows Server 2020, right? So that's all. Thank you for watching. Take care.